So my sample paper kit just came in today, Friday, which is cool because I need it. And I just want to see what's in this $99 package sample paper. So I don't usually do box openings, but I'm going to open this and record it and see what's in there. Okay, I took it out the envelope and it looks like I have, okay, some adhesive paper, step 2, a transfer paper, and then I have step 2, which is yellow, a transfer paper, B, J green, this look like they're all different colors. Interesting. So I know they did say you get 5 of each color or each paper. So let me open it and take everything out. I'm using my cell phone, so I have to pause. So let me pause and then I'm gonna take everything out. Okay, so this is a breakdown, little envelope of what we got here. So I'm assuming everything that's on here, the ivory, yellow, I just figured it out, jade, lilac, and green is in this package. So let's see what we got. So textile, transfer paper instructions. I don't know what I got here, but I got a little bit of everything. So let's see. They do give you good directions, which is awesome. Let's see. I want to see how many sheets did I get for this expensive paper. Got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 yellows and 2 light yellows. And we got the green. So it looks like it's 2 of each colors. This is the lilac. Oh, this is pretty. That's pretty. And then, so 2, 2. Okay. 2, 2. Okay. Next package. Okay, and this one is the gold. I don't know what that other one is, but oh, silver metallic. This one is gold metallic. Okay, and I believe we have instructions in here too. So I'm assuming you're getting 2 of each. Oh. So gold. I don't know what this is. I'm assuming this is the, I haven't used it yet, guys, so I apologize. This is the B part. Yeah. Okay. So that is for the gold metallic and silver metallic transfer. 2-step. Okay, next we have light and step A transfer paper for light and dark, and requires B adhesive paper. So I don't know. So how many did we get here? 1, 2, just 2. Oh, I'm sorry. 3. Oh, I'm sorry. They stuck together. 4. Got 4 of those. And I'm thinking this is the standard. And then we have the B part. And I guess you can tell a B because they have these little square marks on the back. So I'm assuming I got one for each one of those to Mary. And then we have adhesive media kit for light and dark textiles. Let's see. It's hard to see it. I don't know what this is. They all look the same to me. They just got a different texture to them. But it looks like you get 2 of each. I'm not going to go through all that. Ultra bright 2-step transfer adhesive paper. I know. I hope somebody made a video for all these different papers, because I swear they look all the same to me. And that is it for my $900. I feel like it's $900. $99 packet, which you get a sample of each different transfer paper, and they do give you the adhesive, the B part of it. Not bad. I think I got more than what I need for $99, because I don't think I'm going to use all of these, but at least I'll have them if I want to try them first. So that's a good thing. Not bad. This is actually all the paper that I have, other than my the 1-step one, and I'm struggling with that, guys. I'm on shirt number 3, front and back. For some reason, mine is sticking to the shirt and the paper. So I'm going to increase my and that's another video. I'm going to increase my pressure and my temperature. So we got to play with that and figure out what we're doing wrong. But I guess I can let you guys see. I just kind of threw the shirt. Excuse the mess, because I just got the boxes. I'm working in a tiny spot. I just threw them on the floor when I got done with them, because that's what I don't have the space. I don't have a lot of space, but let's see. The first one is stuck to the press, but I was able to get it off. Then this is the back. I'm not doing something right. I'm gonna see how many shirts I'm gonna go through before I can. I got close here. I got really close, and then the paper stuck. So I'm doing front and back. And these are small shirts that I brought when I first started. And I don't get a lot of orders for smalls. So this is where we're at. Now my understanding is I got to pull these off quick. So here's my third one. And then we'll see what happens. So earlier I was using butcher paper. So I read that it might stick if you use butcher paper. So now I just got the craft paper. So let's see what happens. I want a new heat press so bad, but this one works. So 15 seconds at 390, and we will see. I did it. I only had just a little left on here, but I did it. Oh my goodness. Whoop whoop. So I think I got it. So what I needed to do was I added pressure. I went to 390 for 15 seconds. I started off at 375 at 10 seconds. So for my heat press, I have to do 390 at 15 seconds. Yay! I'm happy with that. Thanks, guys.